In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to MetaMask. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Establishing a connection between Binance and MetaMask is extremely simple. So to start, open MetaMask. I'm going to assume that you already have it set up and you know how to do the basic account checks. So after you are signed into MetaMask, click or tap on the Ethereum network that you are using. So once you select this option here at the top, you will be able to add new networks. What you have to do is add the Binance network. So choose the option from here. And now you can use this search function to look for BNB. So on the list of networks, scroll up and down until you find it or use the search function. Once you see BNB, choose the add option. Immediately upon selecting add next to BNB, you will be asked if you want to add this network. This will allow this network to be used within MetaMask. Double check everything, currency symbol, and if everything looks okay, approve of this connection. Now you will get this message and you are able to switch to the BNB chain that you just added. With this done, you can now manage BNB inside of MetaMask. So it's as simple as adding the appropriate network, and this will give you access to the options to deposit BNB using your Binance account or any other exchange wallet. So when you arrive at this page, you will be able to choose the option to deposit it here by tapping on it under tokens. Copy this wallet address and use it as needed to receive BNB on this MetaMask account or wallet. So everything can be done by managing the networks that you have set up. If you still need to go through the setup process to use MetaMask for the first time, make sure that you create a password, the security codes, and so on, and you will have access to the option to switch networks after you are done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Binance account to MetaMask. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.